there are other ways to move an object. If you could go down to your little tabs here at the bottom where it says Gumball, please select that and highlight that tool. It says Gumball. It's right next to the Smart Track. And if you do that, notice that if you click on an object, you'll have these arrows and these arc looking things around it. Okay? That's what we want. That's what the Gumball is. Now with the Gumball, you could select or you could hit the arrow and move the object in those directions. Even though you're not in a particular view, you can move things as such. Okay, so this tool comes in handy when you're moving things if you just want to just select and move things along. So far we haven't really been accurate about moving any of these stuff. By using the Gumball tool, if you hit the arrow key and let go, so with the left mouse button hit, you will notice that this text box come up. With that, you should be able to type in something like, let's say, 50 feet. Don't forget the little symbol for feet. And then enter. You will move in that direction 50 feet. Doesn't have to be 50 feet. It could be anything you want. If you move into the red direction, the X direction 50 feet, same thing. You could do that in the the Z direction as well. 50 feet, and it's going up. You can also, well, basically this is moving things in the direction of the arrow. You can also move in the direction other than the arrow, the opposite direction. So if you select the arrowhead, if you type in a negative symbol, negative 50 feet, it should bring it down into the other direction. So if you want to go in the direction opposite of the way the arrow is pointing, type in the negative symbol first. So negative 50, that's 50. Negative 50 feet will get me back to about where I was, kind of. Okay, you will note that with this Gumball, you will note that there are these arcs as well. Okay, so notice the top view and the front view and the right view as well. If you select the blue arc, click and drag. Oh, I have mine in the ortho. Click off the ortho, if that would help. If you click and drag, you can rotate the object itself, not the view. You can rotate the object. Likewise, if you hit the arc and let go, a dialog box will pop up. So with that, you should be able to type in either a positive or a negative. See, notice that there are little arrow pointing to a direction that it's going to go rotate. So for me, I'm just going to say negative, let's say 15 degrees, and it will move to that precise increment.